So now I'm going to be jumping from a helicopter on the Baylor to Gay Tony. Sorry if the screen moves, it's that I'm holding the controller and the phone at the same time. I'm going to show you how high I can go, and then I'm going to jump out. See how far I can jump without opening my parachute. I love the Buzzard, you know why? It has rockets and a machine gun. Oh yeah, if you want to know how to get a golf cart too, I might make that video. It depends on if my mom doesn't get mad or not. If she does, then it's going to be bad. She don't like to use her phone. Okay, here we go. See how far I can skydive. I got the achievement before, but I can't get it anymore. It's pretty hard to get that achievement. And I'm gonna cause some damage on this video too. So let's go to the cheats. I'm gonna use the, I forgot what it's called. I think it's the AA-12 with the explosive ammo. It's gonna be hard. How are the cops not on me yet? Oh, here they are. That one's over there. I don't have to worry about him. This guy over here trying to sneak up on me. Smile, dead man. I like how the cops talk crap, and they try blasting you. You just blast them, knock them out 50 feet back. Sorry about that, I had to look back at my stupid sister. Crap, I'm getting blasted. Let's use what people call the street sweeper. My friend Nate the Guitar Kid likes it when I do this. I destroy the police lights, go run and get in the car. I call it Jack the Ripper for some reason. Because we were bored one day online. Sorry. Tree's out in my way. It's not working. So I hope you liked this video. I'm going to continue causing damage. Hope you comment too.